Pakistan is not inclined to engage in an arms race, nevertheless, we pursue enhancing our capabilities in keeping with the evolving nature of warfare, driven by rapid changes in technology to deter any aggression at all costs. Pakistan, therefore, remains fully committed to ensuring viability of maintaining full spectrum deterrence within the precincts of credible minimum deterrence. I strongly believe that this region can never become an area of expanding peace and prosperity without the just settlement of Kashmir dispute as per the aspirations of people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and the relevant United Nations resolutions. Pakistan continues to stand by our Kashmiri brothers in their legitimate struggle for right to self-determination. We shall continue our political, moral and diplomatic support to find the just solution and will leave no stone unturned in exposing the ongoing blatant human rights violations and atrocities in the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Like Kashmir, ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan considers the Palestinian struggle for self-determination and national liberation legitimate under the international law. Pakistan finds it imperative to raise its voice at the gravity of the genocide, human rights violations, and atrocities being committed by Israel against the helpless people of Palestine and Lebanon, which is a blemish on world's conscious and a rule-based international world order. Pakistan's policy has consistently advocated for a two-state solution and continues to profess that the enduring solution of conflict resides in creation of a viable, independent, and a contiguous state of Palestine on the basis of pre-June 1967 borders with Al-Quds al-Sharif as its capital in accordance with relevant UN resolutions. Ladies and gentlemen, stability, security, and peace in Afghanistan remains fundamental to our security, especially along our western borders. A peaceful and stable Afghanistan will not only bring economic dividends to the Afghan people, but also unlock the true economic potential of South and Central Asia. The Afghan government must fulfill the commitments made with the international community and not allow its soil to be used by terrorist organizations like TTP for hostile activities against Pakistan or any other country. Ladies and gentlemen, I assure you that we are alive and cognizant to the full spectrum of threats that continue to exist in various domains. In the last 2 decades, Pakistan armed forces have successfully defeated the menace of terrorism at a very high cost. The success of various counter-terrorism operations conducted with pivotal support of Pakistan Air Force reflect the unflinching resolve of the armed forces and the people of Pakistan to defeat the evil forces of darkness and regression. Today, the entire nation stands united against terrorism and extremism. Remember, it is not the militaries alone, but the nations that fight, and our nation's sacrifices are a testament of our resolve. In the end, I once again extend profound felicitations and compliments to the graduating courses. My congratulations to the respected parents and guardians of the commissioning cadets as well. I wish you all the success through the military career and a prosperous future in your personal and your family lives. May Allah be your guide, give you the acumen to lead the way and the courage to hold on and stand tall against all odds for the country and the nation. Ameen. Pakistan Armed Forces, Zindabad. Pakistan, Paindabad. Thank you.